Hello everybody, in today's video I will guide you how to send an ACH payment. So an ACH transfer or automated clearinghouse transfers are a convenient way to electronically move money between bank accounts in the United States. So there are basically two main ways to initiate an ACH payment. The first one is through your bank account. This is the most common method for individuals, so here are the step-by-steps you have to follow. So log in into your online banking or mobile banking app, locate the bill, pay or transfer section. You have almost in every banking account or app you have the bill pay or transfer section or send money tab somewhere. So this might be labeled transfer and payments or send money. Choose the option for ACH transfers for external transfers. Select send payment. Enter the recipient's information. This includes their full name, bank account number, and routing number. You may also need their bank address in some cases. Next, you have to enter the payment amount and date. You can usually choose between sending the payment immediately or schedule it for a future date. Review all the information carefully before you accept and send the money, so make sure everything is accurate before submitting, and then submit the transfer. Your bank will process the ACH payment according to your chosen time frame. The second way you can do that is through a third-party service. Some money transfer services like Zelle or Venmo also allow ACH transfers, and also Relify. I show you. I'm registered with it and it's a pretty good tool. So yeah, this one allows it too. And yeah, you have to log in into your account with the money transfer service. Choose the option to send money, selecting the recipients from your contacts or entering their bank details, entering the payment amount, and confirm the transfer. Important things to remember: gather the recipient's bank information accurately, double check account numbers and routing numbers to avoid errors. Very important step here. Don't forget that, because if you type something, you will have some errors there and it may not send out. Be aware of processing times. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. There may be fees associated with ACH transfers. Check with your bank or money transfer service for any applicable charges. So this is basically it, step by step, how you can send an ACH payment within the United States. So I will leave this guide in the description below so you can read it one more time through. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.